Kids, welcome to the video tutorial on how to find your answer explanations to your math ACT test questions. So on Google, go to the search engine or the URL at the top here and type in www.quantum, CUANTUM, and that will get you to our front page. Up in the right-hand corner, click on Login, and if you don't have a login and password, text Professor Thomas now and get one. All right, once you have your login information, simply click on Login, and here's what we're going to see. Here, under the second tab here, we're going to click on that, and you're going to see that we have all of our practice tests online. Okay, keep in mind that the first 10 tests or so, we're going to reserve these for mock time trials. It's really important we work with the latest and greatest tests. So all of these will be mock time trials. From our weekly PDFs from our website, that's going to be the tests down a little bit further. So simply scroll down until you find your test. Here we see that we have 71C, 71G, 71A. On our website, this letter represents a word. So 71A is 71 atomic. Okay? Click over here where it says video explanations, and it will pop up. It will look like this. Okay? Now, when you click on this, you're going to see that all of the answers and explanations are going to be here. So scroll down, you're going to see down over here, and here is a slide bar. So the left part of your mouse on your laptop or the left clicker on your mouse, go ahead and hold it down and then slide this back or forth to find where we are. We know Junior Genius kids are good with math, so we start with 60 instead of 1. Most of the problems you're going to miss are going to be probably 45 through 60, so that's why we do that. So simply grab it here and slide it back and forth. So right away here, you see Q60, that's question 60, slide it over, and here you see that this is Q52, question 52. Let's say we're looking for question 45. Slide it over till you find Q45. There it is there. Click on that, and here's the explanations.
With an area of 36 square feet perimeter. So
you're going to see that we'll walk you through the problem that you have, copy in front of you, and you follow along and make sure you understand how to get the correct answer. It's important that you take the initiative to go through every single problem that you get wrong, all right? So just simply find the slider, toolbar, and then go and find the questions that you got wrong. You're going to know that these questions are reviewed pretty quick, so it's clear, it's concise, it may show you another way. It's reviewing the math problems that you got wrong from your practice tests. Kids, thanks for watching. Bye for now.